For today's video, I wanted to see which was the better purchase, this roll of $half from APMEX or that roll of $half from a local silver shop. That's right, everybody. This is TJ of Robinhood Coins, and today we're going to be opening up 2 junk silver purchases that I made back in January. I bought this roll from APMEX. It is all walkers, and it was $136. I bought this roll from my local silver shop for $135. He didn't have all walkers. He told me they were mostly walkers with some Benjamin Franklins in there. I've been waiting to open these because I still have not gotten albums for my Walker collection and my Benjamin Franklin collection. So I was waiting to get those albums, put my current collection in there, then open these and fill any holes. But we're going to be doing live streams starting Tuesday, so I needed the extras to give away on the stream. Plus to make some good giveaways throughout some of my other videos. As always, we'll be giving away something from today's hunt. And in order to enter, all you have to do is comment on this video and then make sure to watch our Saturday winners video every Saturday at noon to see if you won. So I figured I'd go ahead and open up the bag and the roll on camera and go through each of the coins just to quickly check if we had anything that's low mintage like the 1921s or before on the walkers, or the 48 or the 49S or the 53 or 55 in the Benjis. And then after done going through those and kind of separating them out by decade, I guess, then I will go ahead off camera, since there's only 40 coins, and just check each one of them under the scope, see if we have any errors and varieties, and then bring you in if we do. But before we get into that, I wanted to show you another thing that I picked up back in January when I got these. My silver dealer had this bicentennial silver proof set. That is really cool. I like this. This was nice. It did have a crack right there, so you can see there's some toning on that coin, but I picked it up for pretty close to melt. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but it was not much over melt, and they are pretty nice proof coins. Way better than I would find in circulation. And so I will be giving this away on Tuesday's live stream. Well, I have pretty good luck with my silver dealer, so let's go ahead and check this one first. See if we got any goodies. And we have here 1936, Philadelphia. We have a 40, 42, 37, 42, S. You know, I like those S mint marks. We got a 35. And we got another S. It's a 43 San Francisco. Here's a nice one. This one is a Denver, but it's a 45. We have a 54 Benji, 51. I don't think those are the dates we're looking for. A 1962. We have a 1935 Philadelphia. So nothing. And a 44 San Francisco. I'm glad we're getting some of the ones with mint marks just to... Oh, we got a 49, but it's a it's a San Francisco. We have a 49S. Look at that. Oh, that's good stuff. I don't think there's any key dates in Benji's, but I wrote down the 48, the 49S, the 53, and the 55 because I believe those are somewhat lower mintage. So that is very cool. That was a good score. We have a Denver 63. What else do we have here? We have a 49 Denver. So don't know for sure. It is an S, right? Yeah. And then we had that 49 Denver right there. And then we have a 53, but it's a Denver, and I believe it's the Philadelphia that is the lower mintage. And then, ooh, we got a 20. We have a 1920. It is slicked out. It is Philadelphia. So I don't know. Oh, 6 million. Yeah, it's definitely not a low mintage. And then we have a 41, a 63. So that's all of them out of there. We did get that 1949 San Francisco. That is cool. And I'll check these others to see if there's any good years, or good low mintage, but still pretty cool. Well, I know I got this back in January, and JW's Coins and Hobbies got his Mercury dime roll recently, probably within the past month, but he did find a key date Mercury dime from APMEX in a regular average condition circulated roll like this. So hopefully we'll get lucky as well. Let's get in here and let's see. I'm just gonna rip it open like I would other half dollars because I don't care for the wrapping. Everything looks decent. Let's see what we got here. That is a slicked out 34 and a 39. We have a 43 Denver. It's a duplicate from the last roll. We have a 42 Denver. I think there might be a variety to look for there. Another 42 Denver. 43 San Francisco. We have a 36 right there. We have a 44. And it is Philadelphia. 42 Philadelphia, so mostly late 40s so far. Let's see if we get anything else. We got a 46. And we got a mint mark here. This is a 35 Denver. A 41 San Francisco. Have to check the mintage on that. I don't think it's low mintage or anything. 42, 46. And we got a 37. I think we got a 37 in the other one as well, but this is a San Francisco. So we will have to, oh, only 2 million minted. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Especially from an average circulation roll. This one looks cleaned. Look at this. That is a Denver 1947. And that's 3.9 million, but that looks like it was cleaned and possibly even polished. We have a San Francisco 42. And I believe the San Francisco 42 or 43, I was looking in the red book just now, and it has a small and large mint mark variety. So we'll check those under the scope since we got a couple of them. But that one right there is not bad. The 37 San Francisco, 2 million minted, not bad. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to go ahead and check each one of these under the scope. Since there's only 40, I'll check them both, the outburst and the reverse, see if I see anything that's odd or doubling or anything, and then I'll bring you in if we find something in the under the scope. So here's that 1920 under the scope, and it almost, I mean, it does look like there is a mint mark right there, a Denver mint mark, but looking at all of the other coins and the later years, the mint mark is supposed to be more tucked in right here. So here's an example of another half dollar, later years, and it's much more closer to this rock or whatever this is right here versus the one that is the 1920. Let's just check that one out again. Look at that. It is farther out, and so it could be post-mint damage. This thing is really, really, really worn, but it does look like a Denver mint mark right there. So I'm going to have to do some research and see if maybe the older years were possibly out more and not tucked in right here like the other ones. But comment down below if you ran into this, or if this is just wishful thinking and post-mint damage. So we are all done checking those coins under the scope, and we did not find any errors or varieties. But after I was done with that, I checked a few of the coins, the years and mint marks for low mintage, and I did find that the 1939 S that we found in the APMEX roll was relatively low, 2.5 million minted, not super low, but still pretty good. And then that 1937 San Francisco is the lowest mintage of the APMEX roll at 2 million. So that was pretty cool. And then out of the silver shop, we had the 1920. Really wish that was a Denver. Don't know for sure. Probably wishful thinking. And then we had that 1949 San Francisco. That's not a key date or anything. There are no key dates in Franklin, but better dates, and that would be one of them. Overall, I think that they were both just okay. I mean, not a clear winner, but then again, this is only one roll, so even if you did have a winner, we'd probably need to do more rolls to really tell which one is better. But it's always fun going through some junk silver and adding some years and mint marks to my collection. I want to build out folders or albums for all of the Walkers and Franklins, and so this will be a good start. Plus, it gives me some extra coins to give away. The Robinhood Coins giveaway for this video is going to be this 1941 Walking Liberty right here. This is definitely one of my favorite designs. Got to love that. As always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video every Saturday at noon to see if you won. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed going through this Constitutional Silver. It was a lot of fun, always is. If so, smash that like button. If you like these or dislike these types of videos, please let me know. I always like that feedback. Try to make the videos better for you guys. If you enjoy our content, hit subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos, and we will see you on the next hunt.